And you can take a break every once in a while too. Feel the motor, see if the motor feels hot, and that kind of thing. Your other motor.
Motor. It's been a long day.
I hear that. How's it feel? Cool?
Yeah.
Excellent. Yep. That's all. It just needs to be wound in, preloaded once it's first put on. What do you think, Tolbert? Toby's pretty sure he didn't like it. That's great. Yeah. Yeah, you always want to spool them out and wind them on when you got a brand new winch, new cable and everything. Right. That's 95 feet of cable. And just put the winch on, and he's doing first time spool on.
Good.
Yeah, looks good. Let you know how the winch works. Hopefully well.
So far.
Hopefully really well.
Hopefully it just pulls us out of wherever.
Yep.